yeah, this is it. I think I paid a bit too much for it. Given the price, and one of the nozzles is not working. The other one works. I don't know if you can see it. It's supposed to be on high. Slow, high. Yeah. Yeah, you get some out of it, but I was going to return it, but as you can see, it's built up a lot of dust. I don't know if they'll take it back with the amount of dust that's accumulated. Anyway, by your own discretion. You can get better ones for cheaper. So, yeah. This is it, basically. Right. Yeah. If we sort of see, I'm gonna show you. A little bit of an effect, but yeah, it's